I'm here at Samsung KX and I'm joined by career guru Ash Jones, who's going to help you build your personal profile and understand the psychology behind it, all with the help of the new S21 Ultra.
Let's get into it.
Let's get into it.
I've mentored some of the country's leading CEOs and founders, and the most important advice that I give to them is to perfect their online professional profiles, and it all starts with a portrait. Luckily, you don't need a big budget to get one. In business, first impressions are everything, so don't blend in. Emphasize your standout features proudly. In psychology, they refer to this as peacocking. If you like to wear all black every day, do that. If you've got bold glasses, tattoos, pink hair, whatever your USP is, show it off. If you're comfortable, you'll look happy. Adding props will help give context to the type of employee you are, so add your favorite items to help tell the story of you. Show off your skills without having to say a word. It's proven that colours have subliminal messages, so orange is a sign of creativity and blue makes you think of a leader. So don't forget to pay attention to the colours in your portraits. And if you want more advice, go to the Samsung KX website where you'll get free design CV templates that'll help you get started. Good luck.